Hello. What if you are faced with a task like this, where you are asked to fill the spaces provided with the appropriate number? In the first question, we have 500,000, then a blank, 500,000 and 200, followed by two blanks. To find out the numbers that go into these blanks that have been provided, you need to find the relationship between the numbers that follow each other. In this case, the next number comes two steps after the first one. So first, you do the difference of these two numbers. That is, for a solution, for the first one, we have 500,200. Then we subtract 500,000 from this. This would give us a difference of 200 because 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 0, 0. These other places, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0. So that is we have just 200. And remember that they are two steps ahead of each other. So to get what goes next, the number that will come is by dividing this by the two steps you have gone. So we have 200 divided by 2 for going two steps. And 2 in 2 will give you 1. And then 2 in 0, 0, 2 in 0, 0. That tells you that what we have here is an addition of 100 for each step. So to get the next number, all I need to do is add 100 to this. That is 500,000 plus 100. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus, since there's nothing here, they are zeros. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0. Then 5 plus 0, 5. So our next number is 500,100. The same thing to the next. You add 100 to this. So we have 500,200 plus 100. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 5. Meaning the next number, when you add 100, will be 500,300. Go ahead to add the next one yourself. And then you will find that you will get 500,400. Good. That makes this series 500,000, 500,000 and 100, 500,000 and 200, 500,000 and 300, 500,000 and 400. Now to question 2. We have two numbers following each other. That means we have only taken one step. Just one step. So to find the relationship, we find the difference of these two numbers. So in this case, we have 7,002,000 minus 7,001,000. The difference here would be 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 0, 7, 7 minus 7, 0. That is, we have 1,000. That is, for each step, you add 1,000. Remember, in the first one, we had to divide by the number of steps. If we apply the same thing here, the number of steps is just 1. And 1000 divided by 1 gives you 1000. So to get the next number, all you need to do is just add 1000. And let's test that out to see if it is correct. So that means 7001,000 plus 1000 ought to give us the next number here. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, and then 7 plus 0, which is exactly what we have here. So now we know it is true. We can then apply it to the other blanks that we have. Let's do that quickly. 7002,000 plus 1000. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 3. Then 0, 0, and 7. Our next number becomes 7003,000. For the next, 003,000 plus 1000. What we have here becomes 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 4, 0, 0, 7. And when we put that here, what we get is 7004,000. Now add 1000 to this, and you will find that the next space is to be filled with 7, 0, 0, 4 plus 1, 5, and then 0, 0, 0. And finally, the third question. Number 3. We have a blank, a number, a blank, then another number. It's quite different from the first, but we still apply the same principle, working with these numbers that are closest to each other. And you will find they are 2 steps apart. So when we do that, we should get 6, 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus the number that comes closest, which is 6, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And when we subtract this, 0 minus 0, 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 then 7 minus 5, 2, 6 minus 6, 0. That is, our difference is 2 million. Now remember, since they are 2 steps apart from each other, 1, 2, we divide this by 2 to know what we add in increments per steps. And when we do that, this should give us 2 into 1, and then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That is 1 million. So to this, you add 1 million. To this, you add 1 million. But because this comes before this, what do we do this time? You subtract. Good. So for the first one, it is actually 6, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 1 million. And when we work with this, this should be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 1, I mean, 4, and then 6 minus 0, 6. Meaning the first number is 6, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then as we progress further, we begin to add 1. Let me do 1 here for you, and then you can apply the rest. Here we have 6, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Plus, let me separate this so you don't mix it up with this. Now we are adding 1 million. What do we get? 0 plus 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now 5 plus 1, 6. And then 6 plus 0, 6. So that is we have 6, 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then for the final one, just add 1 million yourself. If you add 1 million to this, you will have 6, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Look at this one more time. The difference in this case was 100. We find that the place value of the 100th digit is increased by 1 as we go. That is why from 0 it moves to 1, to 2, to 3, and then to 4. In the second question, the digit that changed is the one on the 1000 place value. That is why we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then in the third question, the digit that changed is in the million place value. That is why we have 64 million in 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 by addition of 1 in that place value. Thank you.